In a dry and dangerous bush jungle, an unexpected friendship is about to begin. Deep inside the bush jungle, two wild creatures meet in silence. No one expected a cheetah and a black snake to move together. Though in the silence of the wild, something unusual is happening. A harsh bush jungle hides a surprising story. A real cheetah and black snake appear under dry acacia trees. Dusty wind moves through thorny. Both animals stand still for a moment. This is the moment when two wild worlds collide. Strange friendships can begin in the wildest places. The bush jungle hides secrets no one expects. In this harsh land, survival and friendship take strange forms. In this harsh land, survival and friendship take strange forms.
As the sun rises over the dry jungle, a story begins.
The bush jungle is dangerous, yet strangely beautiful. Two wild creatures step onto the same unknown path. No words, no sounds, only understanding in the wild. Something unusual is unfolding deep in the bush jungle. Even in the wild, harmony can exist. In the heart of a dry jungle, an unusual story begins. This is where their journey together starts. This is where their journey together starts.
The cheetah and the black snake are two of the most fascinating animals in the world. Both are strong, fast, and highly skilled hunters. Even though they are very different, they share the same land and often cross paths in the jungle. The cheetah is known as the fastest land animal on earth. It can run at an incredible speed when chasing its prey. Its sharp eyes can spot movement from far away, and its powerful legs help it sprint like the wind. On the other hand, and a black snake is calm, silent, and extremely clever. It does not rely on speed like the cheetah. Instead, it uses patience. Stealth and perfect timing to survive in the wild as they move through the jungle. Both animals stay alert. Every sound, every movement, and every scent matter. The jungle is full of surprises, and survival depend on constant awareness. The cheetah walks confidently through the tall grass. Its spotted coat blends perfectly with the surrounding. It carefully scans the area, always looking for food or possible danger. Nearby, the black snake glides smoothly across the ground. Its dark scales shine under the sunlight. It moves silently, almost like a shadow, disappearing among rocks and bushes. Although they are not friends, they often share the same territory. Their paths may cross while searching for water, shelter, or prey. When the cheetah notices the snake, it becomes confused. It knows that some snake can be dangerous. Even a fast predator respects the power of venom. The snake also watches the cheetah carefully. It understands that the cheetah is larger, stronger, and much faster. A direct fight would be risky. Most of the time, wild animals prefer to avoid unnecessary battles. Fighting can lead to injury, and injury can mean death in the wild. The cheetah slowly circles around, keeping a safe distance. Its ears are raised and its eyes remain locked on the snake. The snake lifts its head slightly, ready to defend itself if needed. Its body coiled tightly, prepared for any sudden movement. This silent encounter is a perfect example of nature balance. Both animals are powerful in their own way. The cheetah has speed, strength, and sharp claw. The snake has venom, flexibility, and incredible reflexes. In the jungle, respect is important. Even the strongest predator know when to stay away. As the moment passes, the tension slowly fades. Neither animal want to risk a dangerous confrontation. The cheetah eventually continues on its journey searching for its next meal. The snake also moves away, disappearing into the thick undergrowth. The peaceful ending shows the intelligence of wild animal. They know when to fight and when to walk away. Nature is not always about battle, sometimes survival means avoiding conflict. The jungle is a place where every creature has a role, from the fastest cheetah to the silent snake. Each one is important, both animals help maintain the balance of the ecosystem. The cheetah control the population of grazing animal. The snake help control rodent and other small creatures. Without them, the jungle would not function the same way. Watching these animals together is truly amazing. Their movement, instinct, and behavior reveal the beauty of the natural world. Every encounter tells us a story of survival, a story of respect, a story written by nature itself. The cheetah continues through the wilderness with grass and power. The black snake vanishes like a living shadow. Each follows its own path, each survives in its own unique way. The wild is full of such incredible moments that remind us how beautiful and mysterious nature can be. Thank you for watching this amazing journey of the cheetah and the black snake. If you enjoyed this wildlife adventure, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible animal stories from the wild.